To create a composition, just drag your image here and you have one. You can right click composition settings and adjust duration. I'll choose 30, then right click new solid. I will call it rain. Make sure it's a black color, press OK. Then we go to effect, simulation and CC rainfall. The rain is not really visible, so all you have to do is go to effect control, opacity and put opacity all the way to 100. Then I like to increase the scene depth by adding one more 0. And then drops, let's add another 0. To make the rain even more visible, go to effect, color correction, curves. And by grabbing the top handle and dragging it, you see we can increase the visibility as much as we want. If you play, you have a nice rain happening already. However, the close raindrops are way too big. To change that, go to toggle switch mode and you should have available motion blur. Add the motion blur, and like this will make all the drops much smaller and more realistic. Now, right click, recompose, move all attributes into the new composition. Okay, let's go inside the rain composition. Gonna make the rain loop seamlessly. First we duplicate, then choose really any time range, edit, split layer, and delete the top one. Time indicator somewhere in the middle of the top layer, edit, split again. First part goes at the very beginning, hold shift to snap it, and the bottom one goes all the way to the end. Hold shift to snap it. Select all, press letter T to reveal opacity, and here follow me along. Let's offset. Then select the first two, toggle switch mode. If you don't see the blending modes here, select and change the screen. And when you play, you have a seamless transition from end to beginning. Now we can close the rain comp. Then we select pen tool and we make a selection of each window that we have in our background. If you hold a space bar button and by pressing a left mouse button, you can move around the scene very easily and fast. Once you made the selection, you can reveal the rain, toggle switch, a blending mode here, press change to screen. If you play it, and here you go, you have the rain happening. If you want to make it stronger, edit, duplicate, move time indicator anywhere, edit, split layer, and we're gonna offset each animation and this way increase the rain density. And if you want to reduce opacity, select all, press letter T and reduce opacity.